Buche mag lwenje mag kit chwech ma anyuola thiro ka gidwaro gi yalgi owuon oyang ni osemedo medruok mag lwenjego e kaunti ma Homabay. Kalore kod coordinator mar riwruok maok mar piny owacho mar Katag Basra Dahir gitwa kod jokanyo mamoko e manyo yore mag tieko mag thiro godo lwenje mag kit chwech ka oting'o wito oko yalo buche ma kamago oko mar doho. Achiel kuom jokanyogo gin jofwambo momi tiegruok e wi riekni mag chwalo lipodego. Omedo ni gibiro medo kara bedo ka giluorore kor gwenge ma Homabay ka giromo gi jokanyo mamoko.
Carries the parental responsibilities because it is lacking. Sometimes parents are not coming to court to act as witnesses and to protect their children at household level and also at the community level. We also engage the judiciary because of the prolonged process when it comes to accessing justice for survivors of gender-based violence, and also parents, just basically building their confidence, sensitizing them, for them to also be aware of the current challenges at the grassroots level, because some of them are not also aware. Barriers we are experiencing when it comes to gender-based violence, we have the issue around kangaroo court, and as I just mentioned, we engage the chiefs, especially during their weekly meetings, because some of them are normally called when it comes to the kangaroo courts. They say that they take part in the kangaroo courts, which hinders access to justice for survivors of gender-based violence, and as a result, it gives them psychosocial trauma. So we engage with the community gatekeepers, village elders, we engage with the chiefs, we engage with teachers and parents for them to be aware of the correct steps to report cases and for them to also do away with the kangaroo courts.